True statement, CEO in the building. Follow me at the smoke section.
Shaka Zulu's in the war, I'm king, doing my thing. Victims scream, watch them bleed on the scene, I'm ripping they spleen. Disfiguring capability, really check out my melody. Felony after felony, haven't been caught for even any. Many of my crimes amount to as many rhymes as I say in every line. I'm giving sight to the blind, so say, what is the wicked, I grind 365, 366 on the fourth switch pivot on top. Oh my, I'm so fly, I will kill you. Rotten pieces, which dead or alive. Those flesh-eating maggots will make you wanna take your life. My knife will gut a nigga from the left to the right. Which was so serious, commit suicide. Do as I, no game, homie, I can take you higher. Even on a flat tire, I'll be something to admire. Till I retire my jersey at 24, thinking 30, 40 be thinking orgies, 50 be thinking sweet dreams for me. You can make my life a movie, need a Uzi just to move me. Double clicks and I'll be Coochie. Oh wait, sticky, icky green, no stems, no seeds. I'll blow your mind, then I murder mics and listen to them scream like the brick. Hit the back of your scalp face down on the curb, bite your words like sound, call yuck mouth. I don't give a fuck now what you think about me. Check it, I'm living reckless, I'm young and I'm restless. I'm something to invest in, or I'ma cave your chest in. Sharp edge, crack sternum, dark ledge, back burner, spinal cord twitching. Should've paid attention, divine your intervention, or critically lose your senses. I aim and leaving defenses, you crawling, I'm hopping fences. Different from codependents, pretending they never know shit. No snitch, I proved it. Now they fucking with me, about to make a nigga lose it. To the music look stupid. You can ride around all day, but the glove still won't fit. You should call me OJ. Perhaps really unpacking the Mac Millie. You gon' feel me, it happen to rap illy. Try and get decapitated, slap silly. Probably in the back with a stack rolling a fat Philly. So what's dealing? You probably pop pillies with no fillers. Perfectly pot these mass killers. I'm past dealing with any more of these pitiful individuals. I'm so lyrically outskilling them. I spread it better for cheddar to any weather. My mouth is Barbaretta, I let up, you never get up. I'm ripping better. Yeah, I shoot better, spit it better than these fellas who jealous and cop they quitters winners. I'm so vicious, digging ditches for the bitches, stitches, picking the stitches out the wrist that they flick. Get up. I'm hot venom, sick of these slick spitter. I'm sick, nigga. Split the split, so catch a glimpse. For real though. Some real shit.
Yeah, King Zulu. Follow me at the smoke session. Northwest Classic.
I'm a king, not another nigga bleed like me. I'ma shine till I die if my dreams you'll see. I'm a king, not another nigga bleed like me. I'ma shine till I die if my dreams you'll see.
No shot T.I., he's the fucking shit in my eyes. Not a plot to be popped unless you think I'm popular, huh? Grab your binoculars, get a glimpse and witness and Jack the Ripper. They call me KKK for the way that I'm killing niggas. I've come to change the game and I'm bringing a chainsaw. I said a chainsaw, get in my way, I'm cutting your legs off. Oh God, I just finished the month of Ramadan. I'm hungry and I'm looking for any song to feast on. I'm King Kong, sipping on bottles of red wine. When the feds come, what would they think of me drinking blood from a bad man who's been labeled a has-been and who's fondled a dozen men before I attacked him? I'm king. Now let the bass line hit clean. I'm king. Now let the bass line hit clean.
I'm a king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm a king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm a king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm a king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm a king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my
Turn this
dreams you'll
motherfucking
see.
club up,
I'm a
nigga.
king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see.
I'm king. Call me the Northwest Pharaoh. Not cause I'm the best, because I'll pack you in a barrel. In my backyard, I'm Ward Weaver with meat cleavers. You don't like me, well I don't like you either. I spit ether, lyrical grim reaper, the crypt keeper. Literally psycho, your body will gas mask on. I'm Darth Vader, the Undertaker, digging bodies up like grave diggers. I'm that sick. You won't need your hand in my toilet to fill that shit. My crown glows with the halo on it. Pass the blunt so I can flow. Stickier than hairy pussy. Want some more? I'm king. Now let the bass line hit clean. I'm king. Now let the bass line hit clean.
I'm king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm a king, not another nigga gleam like me. I'ma shine till I die, in my dreams you'll see. I'm a king.
Now there you have it. Man, Sean Teach, nigga, well, I got a little John up in this motherfucker.